Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nira, and today I will show you how to install Kali Linux on Linode. We'll install Kali Linux OS on your Linode VPS and learn how to configure it. You can also learn how to set up remote desktop connection. In this video, you'll see how to access and use Kali Linux when installed on the cloud. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. Now, I've already created a server on Linode, so let me show you. Look here, I'm using PuTTY to connect. You can see the IP address at the bottom, and Kali Linux is running. Let me run a command to demonstrate. All the folders in this directory are listed here. And here you can see the UI version. You can use both the graphical version and the command line interface. You can work from either environment. Let me close this and create a new instance to show you the process from scratch. First, let me tell you about the Linode free trial. You get credit in dollars. You can create an account and test it out. Just search for Linode free trial on Google and you'll find the link. Here it is in the image. Select Kali Linux and choose your region. Then select the plan you want. I recommend using 2 GB or 4 GB RAM for your work. For this demonstration, I'll choose 1 GB RAM to make the process faster, but you might want more for your actual work. Next, generate a root password. I've done this, and for this simple demonstration, I'll need to use it later. I'll copy the password here and paste it. Make sure it shows as strong, and keep your own password secure. After that's done, click here. Make sure you have selected at least 1 GB of RAM. Click on Create Linode and wait for a moment. Once the status shows running, you can connect. Look, the system is now running. To access it through PuTTY, copy the IP address. Enter the IP in PuTTY's host field. The port remains 22 for SSH. Click on Open. Copy your root password. The username is root, paste the password, and click Enter. Now you're logged into your Kali Linux as root. You can use commands like ls or cd. For example, I'll go to the /etc folder using cd/etc, and then when I run the ls command. Now we need to run some commands to set up remote desktop. I'll copy and paste the commands one by one. Press Enter. First, we'll update the system using the bapt update command. Then, to access the desktop environment, we'll install the necessary packages. Type Y and press Enter. After this command finishes, run the next command. Type yes and press Enter. Next, we need to install xrdp for remote desktop access. This will allow us to see the graphical interface. I'll copy and paste the command, then press Enter. Now that it's enabled, open remote desktop connection on your computer and enter your server's IP address. Enter root as the username and click Connect. You'll see a prompt. Enter your password when prompted. If it doesn't work immediately, you might need to try again. Let me enter the password carefully. Make sure to enter the password correctly, including any special characters. Okay, let's wait for it to connect. We'll need to type it without any mistakes. When you first connect, wait about 10 to 15 seconds for it to load. The initial connection might take a moment. Now you can run any commands you need. You can use both PuTTY for SSH and the graphical version of Kali Linux simultaneously. You can use SSH for command line operations and install additional tools as needed. You can install tools using the command line, though it might take some time. You'll find various applications here, including social engineering tools. You'll also find pre-installed tools like post-exploitation tools. Kali Linux is primarily used for cybersecurity and ethical hacking work. You'll find all these tools here, and you can use them through both the GUI and SSH. In this video, I showed you how to use both the graphical version of Kali Linux and SSH on Linode Cloud. This image was readily available on Linode. If you're using DigitalOcean, you need to install everything via command line. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.